and welcome to the channel. So today we are going to test out Porkbun. It's a registrar I've been using for a very long time, and I've used pretty much all of them. I would either use Porkbun, or I've also used Name Silo. Name Silo is another one that I used to like, which has really great prices, and they have private domain, which you are going to want privacy, just in case, so people can't find you or you can't get spammed. But the reason I moved all my sites over to Porkbun was because Porkbun had better prices, and there was something that NameSilo wasn't doing. They weren't able to forward, I believe it was they couldn't forward the HTTPS over to redirect it to one of my domains when you have a park domain. But anyways, let's get back over to Porkbun, and I will show you the inside, and let's actually go ahead and register a domain so that you can see how it actually works. So the best thing about Porkbun are the prices. As you can see, they have all the prices listed here. So for .com, at this moment, it's $7.97. And again, this includes domain forwarding, the privacy. It's just great. So a lot of other competitors they might have like cheaper prices the first year, but then the following years where they get you. So then, for example, GoDaddy right here is $14.84, but then the renewals are $22.17. So if you look at the cost of 3 years or 5 years cost, Porkbun is just a better deal overall, and you'll check out the inside. It's just really well done. So let's go ahead and try and register a domain. So for this one, we are going to start a brand new site, which I'll be using on this channel for you guys to follow on. We'll be trying a bunch of experiments on there. But again, I register a ton of domains. So let's go with Brainstorm SEO. That sounds like a great name. All right, let's do it. Brainstorm SEO. Hope it's free. Boom. Okay, great. So we have this one. All right, Brainstorm. Let's make sure we spelled it right. All right, let's do it. So click here. Let's go check out. Okay, so here's what you get with it. So the first year is $7.97. It renews at $10.37. You can add email addresses to this, but you'll see in another video that I actually like using the business side of Gmail, and I'll show you guys how to set that up. So let's check this out. So here's what comes with it. The first privacy, which is the most important thing for me. Then the SSL certificate, which you don't necessarily need on this one, since the host that we use, which again will be on another video, they provide that as well. So for me, it's going to be the URL forwarding and the WS privacy, which are going to be the most important things. But let's go ahead and continue. Hidden fees, none. That's good. Okay, we're going to walk none. That's good. Okay, we're going to log into an existing accounts. I have a lot of my domains on this. If you have never done this before, you're going to go ahead and create a new account and enter all that information in there. So let's go ahead. I am not a robot. Remember 30 days. Okay, click that. Let's see. Let's go to continue. Device not recognized. Okay, so on-time code is an email to your account email address. All right, so let's go. Let's see what that. Let's see what that one is. All right, gotta go to my email address, and here we go. We're going to enter. Here it is. Okay. All right, I am not a robot. Let's go try this again. Invalid two-factor. Okay. Let's try capitals. Okay, let's do this. All right, and then it looks like we are on. So I already have a card on the file, which is great. Let's go ahead and click this box and let's pay now. Okay, it's just going to process the order. All right, so here we go. So as you can see, the first one we have here is Brainstorm SEO. So pending initial setup, refresh the page to check status. Let's go ahead and refresh right now, see what happens. All right, so this thing's gonna get situated, and then I can show you a couple other things in here. But as you can see, this page right here, as you can see, I have a bunch of domains. On this one, I'm hosting about 12. But everything, are your domains are on this side, and then you have the ability, let's see, so let's go here, let's click that. So high performance hosting solution. Okay, so that's for the hosting. Let's go back, let's click here. Okay, this would be for your email. This is to renew it. This is the lock. You're gonna want your domain locked so nobody can come in here, and transfer your domains out of here. And then your whois, this is where you want it private. So as you can see, you would just click in here and it is private data. All right, so it looks like Brainstorm got going. So let's see the details here. As you can see it on here, this is where everything is at. So the website, which later on we will be setting up. Your email, like I said, we're gonna, I like using Google Mail, but there's a lot of other things you can do. Also, once we get our web host, we're gonna come in here and change the name servers, and this is easy to do. Basically, when you get a host, you're gonna come in here, and what you're going to do is just click edit here, and you're gonna enter the name servers that your web host is going to give you, and that's how you set up your email. But I'm going to go over that in another video. But here you go, the auto renew, you have your domain lock. So for this, the most important thing that you're going to need really is your name servers. Don't worry about your DNS records unless you're splitting email and web hosts up. But I normally like to hop everything into my web host, and then within the web host, then we can do some more configuration. But for now, here's what we got. So we got our domain name. We have an easy way to edit this. And outside of that, that's pretty much all you need for a registrar. But as you can see, it's just really easy to operate. I've never had a problem with them. And it is a great registrar, which I highly recommend. So anyways, guys, if you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And at the bottom of this video, I will put an affiliate link, which you can use to get Porkbun. All right, thanks a lot.